Today we are continuing our theme of...
You totally butchered it.
I know. I didn't like what you had to say.
You didn't like what I said.
I didn't like what you said.
Just keep watching, because what's happening is just going to keep on going on. Trust me. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Okay, so what I was trying to say is we're continuing our theme of vegan ranch dressings with a hot and spicy version.
Yes.
So tell us about this hot and spicy ranch dressing.
I would love to, thank you. So it literally is our base ranch dressing, and we'll put a link down below for that. We've also done a chipotle ranch, and we'll put the link for that one as well, but it's the same base: cashews, vegan sour cream, fresh dill, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, onion powder. What makes this a little different is we are doing a hot agave oil. So we're heating up some avocado oil that has some red chili flakes, garlic, shallots, and then some black and white sesame seeds. Get the oil up warm, get that all so it kind of cooks the ingredients, and then all of it is blended together. And this is going to be kind of a cool, because the cool from the dill and the sour cream. And then she doesn't believe a damn word I'm saying. I recognize this look.
We'll see.
It's going to be yummy. It's going to be good. Trust me. So, yeah, let's make some ranch.
All right.
The first part of making our hot agave ranch is getting our hot oil and seasonings ready. So we're going to heat avocado oil until it reaches 250 degrees. Once it's ready, we're going to remove it from the burner and then pour it into a bowl that has our seasonings ready to go. So in our bowl, we have garlic, shallot, crushed red chili pepper, salt, and black and white sesame seeds. We're going to stir to combine and then let this sit to cool to room temperature. Into our Vitamix goes our pre-soaked cashews, water and vinegar, agave, the seasonings, our vegan sour cream, and then we're going to blend it until it's nice and creamy. We have a nice texture with our base, and we're going to pour in our chili oil mix and blend it at a lower speed to keep that nice texture of the chopped garlic and other seasonings. Once it's ready, we'll put our herbs into a bowl, we'll pour in the ranch recipe and fold it all together. Now remember, you eat this right away, it might be so hot, and if you let it sit, it's going to be so hot times 10. Time equals heat.
Houston, we have ranch.
Hot and spicy ranch.
It is. It looks... I love seeing all the little bits, like all the
little chili peppers.
Yeah, the chili peppers and the chives and the dill. Yeah, I think we should probably consume some. What are you going to do?
I think I'm going to have a celery.
Celery? Okay. I'm going to probably do a red pepper. That's what I'm going to do.
Woo!
On the back end.
A little spicy.
Yeah. So you get the sweet from the agave and kind of the coolness from the dill, but then you absolutely on the back end the chili peppers.
Get the hot chili. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this is super flavorful.
This is not your kids' ranch.
No,
unless
but
you have.
if they like spicy
if they like spicy
there's
food.
some kids that like spicy stuff.
Yeah.
But you know what this would be good on? Like a southwestern salad. Like if you like to make a southwestern salad with
Good call.
pinto beans, romaine, tortilla chips, that kind of stuff, this would be killer on that. We're gonna use it. We haven't decided what kind of pizza, but we put everything on pizza. So this will eventually find its way on pizza, but we thought it would be fun to, to make another ranch for you. So,
but we do eat a lot of salads, so I like that. I'm feeling like we have a southwestern salad in our menu plan for this week.
that means it's on my menu plan. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's yummy.
Good job.
Nicely done.
All right.
All right.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
And ranch.
See ya.